Hello guys, now I will show you how to create a company file for just few seconds. What you need to do is go in this company tab, go add company, and here you need to start to type the name of the company which you want to create. So here you need to choose it. We will autocomplete the information which we have, the company number, the country, and the address. Here you need just to fill the owner, the agent name. Press next. Here select date of the company financial year. Here you need to write the telephone number, write some number, and here the company email, and press next. Here is very important part. Here you need to choose the platform to which you will export the invoices and receipts. Here you can choose from QuickBooks. When you choose QuickBooks, you will see here all the accounts which are here. These are the standard QuickBook accounts to which you can export. Here you can change all of them depending on your accounts names, and here you can fill whatever you want. And after you choose it, you can press save, and here the same for XERO. You can choose the sales account number and all of the account codes which you have here. For now, let's choose for the educational purposes now XERO and press create. And now you can see that we have one company which was successfully created in our list. Thank you for watching. Hi, so after we created a company, here you can see the information about the company, and here you can see the platform to which it's prepared to make an export. Here on the tab approved documents, you can see the documents which are ready for export. These documents are here. After you make the OCR and process the documents, you need to approve them to check if everything is okay and to press the button approve, and they will come here. And now I will show you how this works. Go to this tab and press this button. You can choose receipts or invoices and whatever you want. Press open, and now they are processed. We have a progress bar as well, and just we need to wait for several seconds all of them to be processed. It's fast process. Okay, you can see now all of them were ready, and what we need to do now is to verify them. For example, let's choose some invoice. Here we can see and compare the dates. The date is okay, the invoice number is okay. If it's not, you can click and change it. Also, let's check the tax is okay, the total number, the total sum is also okay. And here also we will compare the different items of the invoice. We can see they are also matching, so it looks good. But sometimes if the system does not recognize them, you can just change to the correct values, and here you can specify if this is income or it is expense, and you can specify if it is receipt or bill. And here on the vendor you can see the supplier is the company which created the invoice and the recipient person here, which is also fine. And here for XERO we have to select to which category and accounts this will be exported. You can specify the category. For example, this one, if it is expense, this is expense, and it is going to this category. And you can select also the tax type here, so they will be automatically matched to the correct place in XERO. So here you need to choose your job, and here you need to check again and press save. After you save it, it is updated and saved. But what you need to do is to press approve, and now you can see that this came here, and now this type of invoices is ready to be exported. Okay, after we approved the invoice and all of the invoices which we have, we will see them in this tab after we press the button approve. And now I will show you how to export them to XERO. You can make different selects here depending on the type which you want to see, or some date to filter to see them here. So for the export, you need to press this export button, and the system works with date frames and it selects by months. So we need to choose some month to which we want to make an export. For example, let's check. This one is February 2019. Okay, let's choose it. Here we will see our codes which we have, just to check them and verify that we selected the correct codes. And we need to press export, and now you can see this was exported, and we will open this, and you can see now what we have in this zip file. You can see we have 3 CSV files. What have in all of these files is the following. Here, all of the transactions, invoices, and receipts are done as bills. These are your expenses, and for this period. And here in the invoices are the invoices which were with income, not with expense. And here they are combined as transactions, and here you can import all of them as transactions as well, because you can import them in your bank accounts and statements. If you need to, they are prepared, you can use it or not, it depends on you. And the bills are also here, and you need to import them. Now I will show you how to import the files with the bills in your system. What you need to do is go to the tab with the bills, and here import bills. What we need to do is select this file which we just exported, press open, and here you can select if to ignore the address or to import them. And here also choose if it's tax exclusive or tax inclusive, and you can press confirm. And now you will see that it says that one new draft will be imported. This means that it will be imported in the drafts, and you need to approve it in order to go in your main documents. So you need to check it here, compare if everything is okay. Again, you can see that it matches the information which we imported, the codes, everything is okay here. And you need to press this button approve in order to approve it and you to go in your main documents. Now I will show you how to import the transactions file. Here you need to go in the accounting, bank accounts, and you need to select import bank statements. And here we need to select our file, which is this file, transactions. Press open and press next. You need to match the codes here. For example, they are one by one: account code, analysis code here, this description, payee is field, reference is with reference again. It's a simple thing to do, just to be sure. Tax type here, transaction date, transaction type as well here. Okay, and when everything is selecting one-to-one, you need to select the date format. This is the correct date format which we have, which is day, month, and year. And let's press next. We see here the transactions which we have. They are with minus because we spoke that this is expense, and we'll complete the import. Okay, and you can see now in this tab, and they will be imported as you want. You need to finish this because it depends on what you want to do. You need to change the tax rate here for this, and so on. You need to verify this and make and finish this as you actually do with your normal work. Now I will show you how to import also invoices. Okay, here from the dashboard you can redirect here and invoices, and you need to press this import, and here to press browse, select again. I just prepared one on the same type which I prepared before. I made also one with invoices because before we had expenses only, and now I added one with income. Here we'll press open. You can choose again the address and tax exclusive or tax inclusive, and you can see that here it says that one invoice will be imported, and you can press import, and you can see our invoice actually, which is here, and now it's in your drafts, so everything is safe. And what you need to do is just again verify it here and to press approve in order to go in the correct place, but this will save lots of manual work of inputting it all the way one by one here to the incomes and expenses and transactions.